MAPEIUSA's Keraflex line of polymer-modified mortars combines variety and versatility with consistency and ease of use, creating the perfect family of mortars. All 4 mortars in the family feature high transfer technology and are formulated to have superior wet-out capabilities, which translates to increased coverage. The Keraflex family includes Keraflex Super, Keraflex Plus, Keraflex SG, and Keraflex RS. These smooth, creamy mortars are incredibly easy to apply and have a high rate of coverage. Increased coverage means that they also have tenacious bond strength with outstanding non-sag, non-slump performance. They all work well with edge-leveling clips for interior and exterior installations and are great for commercial and residential uses. The Keraflex family's premium mortar is Keraflex Super. Just like the rest of the line, it is extra creamy, easy to trowel, has incredible non-sag, non-slump properties, and it can be used with edge-leveling clips in interior and exterior installations and commercial and residential uses. But Keraflex Super also has properties unique to itself. It can be submerged in water features such as fountains and pools. It can even be used in extreme freeze-thaw conditions. In addition, Keraflex Super is verified as Red List free, per the Living Building Challenge. Next is Keraflex Plus, which offers excellent adhesion and is also verified as Red List free. It is great for use with edge-leveling clips and large and heavy tiles. The non-sagging thin-set mortar is perfect for wall installations, even when used with large and heavy tiles. And when it is installed on floors, this extra smooth mortar won't slump. Keraflex SG is a standard grade mortar that offers good adhesion for most interior and exterior installations in wet and dry environments, and for most commercial and residential uses. The last product in the family, Keraflex RS, is a thin-set mortar that has the smooth and creamy consistency common to the Keraflex family. It also features a rapid setting formulation. This means that tiles set with Keraflex RS can be grouted within 3 to 4 hours. It is verified as Red List free. All Keraflex mortars feature an ease of spreading and higher rate of coverage, so that installers will not only finish applications faster, they will also use less material. MAPEIUSA's Keraflex family of polymer-enriched mortars with high transfer technology. For the variety you want and the consistency you need, MAPEI has you covered. For more information, visit us online at www.mapei.us.